My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today we're going to make an easy fruit and yogurt parfait. Now the first thing we have to do is chop up some fruit. So I've got some strawberries over here that we're just going to slice nice and thin. Rock our knife. There we go. Cut those strawberry tops off and slice them nice and thin. Protect your fingers as you cut. There you go, that looks good. You could use blueberries, you could do mango, whatever fruit you have works for me. We've got some fresh peach, so we're gonna slice around this peach, just like that. We're gonna remove the pit. There we go. Sometimes you can open that up, but we'll just chop this part up right over here. Get some of that beautiful peach chopped up. Again, any kind of fruit you have, nectarines, plums, any stone fruits. Love some cherries in this too. Just chop that up. Now we've got some banana over here. Peel that banana, you know, really inexpensive, filling, nutritious. Bananas always go a long way. All right, that looks good. Let's clean this up over here. All right, let's start to assemble. We've got some Greek yogurt that I mixed a little bit of honey. Put that at the bottom. Just a little spoon is all you need. We've got some granola over here. And we're just gonna layer this up. A couple of bananas. A little bit of peach. That looks nice. We'll do a little bit more yogurt. Just layer this up any way you want. This makes such a wonderful snack, a breakfast. You know, the Greek yogurt has a lot of protein in it. Let's do some berries on top. That looks beautiful. A little bit more peach. Doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be good. Next up, a little bit more yogurt right on the top. And then we'll finish it off with a little bit of that granola. And that looks beautiful. I think the whole family will enjoy this. So this is our fruit and yogurt parfait. Great for the whole entire family. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.